Corporation, also known as Mobile Technology Private Limited. Today I am going to show one of the new projects. Is the mobile operated robotic arm vehicles. So as you see, this is the project model of robotic arm based vehicle. This project model consists of the robotic arm with the gripper mechanisms, with up and down mechanisms and gripping. Second thing is, it can be driven wirelessly with the help of the smartphone, and we have used Bluetooth module. Along with, we use 8051 microcontrollers, development board, LCD display. These are the two motor driver boards, and this is the battery unit. Okay, so once again I repeat, this is the Bluetooth module, this is the main development board, this is 8051 microcontroller unit, this is LCD display, this is power supply unit here, this is the motor driver unit, these two are motor driver unit, this is battery, below is the DC motor we have attached, and this is the on off switch. Okay, when you switch on, the LCD display and light will glow. Okay, we have used a 12 volt battery here, and also for charging that battery we use the adapter of 12 volt to ampere. So this is one socket here. You have to just insert this in this socket. When you insert, the green LED is on, and just plug this into the any board, AC board. Okay, so in this way the battery will charge. You can also drive the vehicle by this adapter also. So wire is also big. So first step is, you have to just switch on the project. Next step is, you have to go to your Bluetooth settings. You just go to your Bluetooth settings, and in that Bluetooth settings you have to search the device. The device name is SC05, right? SC05. This is the device name. You have to just pair with this device, and the password is 1234. Okay, 1234 is the password. Right now I have already connected this. So device name is SC05. You have to just enter the password 1234. After it is connected, next thing is, you have to go to Play Store. Okay, you have to go to the Play Store and download the BlueStick app. So BlueStick, so BlueStick controller. You have to search this search on Play Store and download this app. The symbol is like this. Okay, so I just open it, and next thing after open this app, you have to go to the pair. Again you have to search the device with SC05. You have to just click. You have to go to the app, and you have to search the device name SC05 and just click. After the click, the device is directly connected with the controller Bluetooth module. Okay, next thing is this is the control sections in an app. So there is a various mode. This is front, left, right and backward. This is grab and release portion. So let's see all the operation like a grab. As you see, when I just press the release, at the same time the grab is open, grip is open. Okay, now it is closed. Next thing is, if you want to move in downward directions, now it's in upward direction. Like this one, you have to control this robotic arm. After the movement of this robot, you can control with this 4 directions. So let's see. So I want a left direction, then right direction. I want to move in forward direction, forward, backward. Now let's see how this a robotic arm will work and how it lifts. So let's see how these objects will pick and it will be grabbed by this robotic arm. So let's see. If you want to release, now let's say grab. Now it is in grab position. Okay. So you have to just press a grab to hold the any objects tightly. After that, you have to just move in upper direction. So like this, it is in move in upward direction. If you want in move in a downward direction, so in this way the whole projects of robotic arm vehicles